Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. Everybody open your cameras.
Ma'am, why you start meeting so late?
Beta, there was some problem. My laptop was not, I don't know why it was not responding. It was taking so much time to start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thanks for keeping patience, all of you. You didn't panic in the class group. Thank you so much. Okay, now, ready with your books, everyone?
Ma'am, today we have 3 periods.
3, we have 4 periods. One arrangement period also, like yesterday. Okay. So we studied till effects of water pollution yesterday. Yes? Effects of water pollution. Today we have to start with the prevention of water pollution. How we can prevent water pollution. Children, is my video lagging today also? Is my video lagging?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, no, ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. Sorry for
What is wrong?
ma'am.
And it is
A little bit
showing
your
such good signals. The Wi-Fi is showing I have changed it. Even then it's doing like this.
now, ma'am. It is clear.
And ma'am, your voice is equal.
My voice is echoing.
Ma'am, your voice is okay.
Okay. Okay, now who will read prevention of water pollution? Who is going to read? Vikas. Okay, Vikas, you didn't read yesterday. You are going to read. Is Vikas there? Vikas, can you hear me? Okay, he's not responding. Zoya Fatima, are you there? Children, am I audible?
Ma'am,
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Ma'am, clearly.
Clearly audible. I don't know. Okay, Vikas and Zoya are not responding. Kartik Kumar, Arun, are you there? Kartik Kumar. Very bad. Very bad. Children
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
respond. My God. Really disheartening. Okay, now I will not call out also your names. The rest of the students are going to take up in the class. Everything, every responsibility, every initiative for anything that is being done. I'm not going to call out your names, children, now. Vikas, Zoya, and Kartik. Okay, let's start. Shish, beta, start reading.
Prevention of water pollution. To prevent and control water pollution. Most rule is bodies. The government has made laws to ensure that industries treat the waste before releasing it into water bodies. Sewage must be treated before it is releases into water body. Environment friendly
Cleaning liquids.
fertilizers used in agriculture or gardening. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go on.
Pesticides used in agriculture or gardening often seep through the soil into the groundwater, polluting it. Therefore, minimal.
Minimal.
Minimal. We must not pollute the water in rivers or ponds by bathing or washing our clothes in them. Awareness must be created about keeping our water bodies clean.
Okay. So I spoke about water pollution yesterday only, like how it seeps through the soil into the groundwater, like these fertilizers and the chemicals that are sprayed on the crops in the fields. So how they seep through the soil, and hence they make the water bodies contaminated. They pollute them. So it all can be controlled. The sewage, when it is released
Ma'am, the video is paused.
the
Ma'am, you
sewage,
lag.
when it is released into the water bodies, the sewage must be treated before before being released into the water bodies.
So, ma'am, there.
Yes.
So, मैम कहाँ से है हिंदी?
हाँ. Yes.
मैम इनका मतलब ये है कि जब भी वो पानी किसी वाटर बॉडी में जाए तो एक जाल सा लगा दो जिससे ना सारा कूड़ा वहीं.
No, beta, now I don't know what it means by treatment. Like they say
बह
कि,
जाए.
सकती हैं.
like it is said that
मछलियाँ कौन सा
industries.
सीवेज में तैरती हैं?
Listen. There should be proper treatment. There should be proper treatment of this sewage. It should be treated. Now, I don't know how it has to be recycled or it has to be done something before being released
Act.
to the water bodies. So what you are saying, that it must have a sieve kind of a thing, a net kind of a thing, so that the solid waste or whatever doesn't go into the water bodies.
And ma'am, ahead they can purify the.
Yes, something should be done. Like it should not be directly released into
And
the
the water should be purified.
water. To
Ma'am,
beta,
why
yes,
are you
it is
lagging too
purified
much?
because when it is supplied into homes for domestic purposes, so it is purified. We don't use that water. It is first cleaned. Can you drink that water only? The
You're
raw
Ma'am,
lagging too.
water.
lag.
And
Ma'am,
ma'am, your
lag.
camera is also off.
Yes, I have put my camera off because you are saying my video is pausing again and again.
Yes, ma'am. Now, for a second, your voice is just going super fast.
I
Yes.
don't know. I don't know what is to be done.
Stopped.
Ma'am, for 2 seconds, your voice is lagging.
And when your camera was out, then also it was lagging too much.
Yes, ma'am.
I will speak less today. Okay.
Ma'am, you can join from.
I can join.
I think your Wi-Fi is not good.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it's
with a
not good.
phone,
It is actually
using
not
data.
good. Why it is
Yes, ma'am.
behaving?
With the
Ma'am, you
phone.
can turn on data and ma'am, then you can take.
Or ma'am, you can just type in the chat box.
Wait, I'll try to connect
How
through
will
my
we
phone.
understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, first you enter your phone in the meeting, then you make your phone host.
Ma'am, can I go and drink water?
Yes, beta, go. Can you hear me now? Children, now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it doesn't lag now.
Okay, ma'am. Start explaining, ma'am, please. We have lost a lot of time.
Okay. Then coming on to soil
Ma'am, your
pollution.
video.
How water
Ma'am, you
pollution? Yes.
lagging.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your video just lagged and you were just.
you're lagging.
Ma'am, you can turn off your camera. And then.
Let's come on to soil pollution.
We'll.
Soil pollution occurs. Who will read now? Pratyaksh, read it out.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Soil soil pollution. Soil pollution occurs when we do not dispose of waste properly, or we throw out and fertilizers into the soil. Plastic containers, plastic bags, bottles, cans, and glass do not decay and mix with the soil. They pile up in landfills.
What happened?
Ma'am, finished.
Finished, and I could not actually hear you. Children, what to do? I don't understand what to do.
Ma'am, are you using data or Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi, beta. I'm using Wi-Fi.
Ma'am, use the phone data.
No, that is even worse. That is
Whoa.
even worse.
Source
Hmm?
and
Okay.
pesticides, plastic bags, plastic containers,
They do not.
bottles,
Yes.
cutting trees.
We all
You are
know that
going
these plastic
anti-clockwise.
items, these polythenes do not mix with the soil. Yes, they pile
Yes,
up in
ma'am.
landfills where they are usually dumped. So we should actually that is why it is told that we shouldn't throw these wastes like that. Yes, don't use plastic, make less use of plastics and polythenes because
Ma'am,
it,
use paper bags.
yes, because it pollutes our environment. So what are the sources of soil pollution? How it is caused? Plastic bags, plastic containers, bottles, chemicals from factories, glass products, metal cans, cutting down of trees, and pesticides. We all know that these
Excuse
are
me,
the...
ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, how
How?
the
Ma'am,
pollution source?
cause it take millions of years to dispose.
Billions of years too?
No, that is the plastic.
Ma'am, dispose.
Okay.
No, that is plastic. I am talk about the glass product.
So glass also, beta, it doesn't decay with the soil. It remains there only. If you put glass in soil, so do you think that it is going to decay with it? It is going to mix with the soil? No, it won't.
Ma'am,
Like
it will take too much of time.
it won't. It will never get decayed. It is not that it will take too much of time. It won't take any time.
Ma'am,
It
you
will
lag.
remain like that even after years. You're going to see it in the same way. Like how we are going to see plastic bottles or plastic bags. Then, effects of soil pollution. Now, how does it affect us? Rishabh, read it out.
Ma'am, can I read?
After Rishabh,
Okay.
you can read.
Effects of soil pollution. If the soil gets polluted, it affects all living beings. Pollution in soil harms the crop. Allow the dust of the polluted soil, if inhaled by people and animals, can cause
Respiratory diseases.
Respiratory.
Respiratory diseases. Fruit and vegetables grown in populated soil may cause illness. Garbage dumps breed rats and odor and disease.
Okay. So what happens when the soil is polluted? It affects all humankind. Yes. When we breathe in it, we can get diseases because it is infected. It is full of pollution.
Understand anything, ma'am? You're lagging again and again.
Ma'am, I cannot understand anything. You are lagging again and again.
Fruits and vegetables, if we consume, if we eat that those fruits and vegetables which are grown in polluted soil, we can get ill because of that. And when where there is a lot of garbage, don't we see rats over there?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, so this is also a cause of disease only, because rats also spread a lot of diseases. So it is very bad for all of us. Yes, Pratyaksh, you want to say
And
anything?
ma'am, some animals are dead. Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, can I tell in Hindi?
Yes.
मैम पर जब जहाँ हम लोग फ्रूट्स उगाते हैं लेकिन वहां पे तो
बट बेटा अगर कोई सॉइल
जगह वो अलग जगह तो हमें
There is no
Yes.
plastic.
See, if the soil of a place is polluted where fruits and vegetables grow, then they are saying we might also get ill if we eat those fruits and vegetables. No doubt, we grow the fruits and vegetables in all neat places. But still, if there is any soil pollution, it so happens. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you know, in my colony outside, there is garbage and there is so many of soil pollution.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, at the entrance of
Ma'am, yes,
my
ma'am.
colony, ma'am, there's a receiver.
There's this.
Ma'am, at my area also, but now it was clean.
Okay.
And ma'am, in that area there is water also.
Yes, ma'am. At my
मैम
side also.
गणेशपुरम इन
And
गणेशपुरम
ma'am,
बिग
and ma'am, and also ma'am, the mall. And ma'am, they throw at the wall, and ma'am, it just smells very bad. And the ma'am smells come in our home.
Yes. Yes. It happens like that. Now, coming on to the next thing, that is the prevention of soil pollution. Anmol, read.
Ma'am, you lag.
Okay, ma'am. Prevention of soil pollution. One way to prevent soil pollution is to start disposing waste properly. We must try to reduce, reuse, recycle. Use of products made up of plastic and synthetic materials. We should try to reuse old things to reduce the amount. Also recycle used objects and plastic to create new articles. Planting trees is another way to conserve the soil. Roots of soil firmly, stopping it from being washed away by rain or wind. We should try to spread awareness
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, black.
Ma'am, he's duck.
Now, what should we do? We should try to spread awareness about the harmful effects of
Ma'am,
soil pollution. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I was
Shesh.
thinking, ma'am, I was just thinking, ma'am, this plastic is very powerful thing, and ma'am, it takes thousands of years to dispose, and ma'am, it's very hard material. So ma'am, why can't we use it for making spacecrafts?
Beta, it is not strong. It doesn't get decayed. It doesn't decay with the soil. It doesn't get mixed with the
Ma'am,
soil.
it's strong.
No, it is not at all strong. How plastic is strong?
No, ma'am. So, no, ma'am, it takes thousands of years to just.
But it is not that solid.
Just stick
Yes.
too many
And
of
because of
plastic.
the heat, it will get melt. It will melt also very easily, isn't it? Plastic gets melted easily. You all know this thing. Yes, it is
Ma'am,
through
one
burn.
Ma'am, but in
time,
this space,
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, one time my father do the small firewood and we put the plastic wallet
We put what?
very quick. Ma'am, so I put the in the firewood one plastic bag so it is melt very quickly.
Yes.
ma'am, but I've seen one spacecraft, ma'am, which they have used plastic to make.
Okay, beta. So now, listen, let's come back to the point. The prevention of soil pollution, how it can occur. Sorry, how we can prevent soil pollution. We all know the different ways. Yes, reusing, recycling our products, not throwing them into the soil, the products, the items that cannot be decayed in the soil. So we all know what things we have to do. Roots of grass, small plants, trees hold the soil firmly, stopping it being washed away by rain or wind. So we should spread awareness. We should try to plant more and more trees to conserve the soil. Why? Because the roots hold the soil very tightly. They do not let the soil wash away. Yes. Now the next part, noise pollution. Who will read? Harsh Patel, are you there?
Ma'am, can I read?
Now Vikas, you are back. Hmm?
Yes,
Harsh,
ma'am.
you will read noise pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Noise pollution is caused when the sound produced causes discomfort to our ears. There are many things that increase the level of noise pollution. Fireworks, construction machines, traffic, barking dogs, loudspeakers, household gadgets, loud music, aeroplanes.
Okay, so what makes whatever thing disturbs us, gives discomfort to our ears? Yes, it is known to spread noise pollution. Now we are talking to each other at a very normal, in a very normal volume. It is not noise pollution. Yes, but if I'm going to play loud music and it is going to bother you, it is going to bother people around, that actually is noise pollution. Yes, like barking dogs, sometimes they irritate us so much, we want the dogs to be quiet. It's like, why are these dogs barking so much? Isn't it? Does it happen in your society, in your locality also? There are a lot of dogs,
Yes, ma'am.
continuously they bark and they create so much noise pollution. Then
There is very good.
aeroplanes, fireworks now at the time of Diwali also, or in some wedding, during some wedding season also. There is a lot of firework that is done. So which disturbs people. Now, what are the effects of noise pollution? Let's just go through them. Who will read? Stuti, read
Ma'am,
out.
why are you lagging too much?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Devansh, read.
Of noise causes irritation, sleep disturbance, and a loss of hearing. It also disrupts spoiling the quality of our environment. Loud noise such as bursting crackers scares animals much streets and anxiety, headache, and
Anxiety.
high blood pressure.
Okay, so unwanted noise. Now, what does this unwanted noise do? It causes a lot of irritation. Yes, we get irritated sometimes when there is a lot of noise around us. We have, how does it affect us? We also get sleep disturbance because of that. We are unable to sleep. Then we have loss of hearing also. If we listen to a very high volume, it also gives us loss of hearing. It also disrupts our daily lives by spoiling the quality of our environment. If we do not live in peace, so will it not spoil the environment? Will it not spoil the quality of our living? Yes, it will. Loud noise such as bursting crackers scares animals and birds. Too much noise may lead to stress and anxiety, headache, and blood pressure. So underline this line. What all it can cause.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Then noise prevention and control.
ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand anything. Ma'am, whenever you are speaking, ma'am, you have
Better let me talk. I'm not going to, I can't.
done start.
Acha, listen now. Can you hear me? All of you, listen to one very important thing. Tomorrow, also, if my internet connection does this, we are going to start. I'm going to give you a worksheet. Is that fine? You all have to be
Okay, ma'am.
ready for chapter 16. We are going to go in a backward manner 16, 15, 14, like this. So from tomorrow, we are going to start our revision. Tomorrow is your revision class of chapter 16. I'm going to share a worksheet with all of you. Show me a thumbs up.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good. And today, let me talk to ma'am because my internet connection is not working well. So I'll look forward for some solution. Then next,
Ma'am, can I read?
yes, read.
And blowing horns. And ma'am, what is that written? Ma'am, what is that written?
Unnecessary.
Unnecessarily is one of the most common cause of noise pollution. This is being regulated by the authorities. The use of loudspeakers and loud music should be controlled. One must not put on loud music as it is likely to disturb the neighborhood. Schools, college, and hospitals should be silent zone. Planting trees in industrial areas can absorb absorb
Absorb.
the
Absorb.
absorb absorb the loud
Absorb.
absorb the loud noise.
Mom. Mom.
Yes, children.
Mom, done reading.
Yes, beta.
Mom, chapter is done.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Chapter is
ma'am.
done. Mom, can you hear us?
Yes, beta. Yes, I was talking to school, ma'am, in the office. I'm talking in the school office, so I was not responding. Just
So what to do now?
okay. Yes. Now, children, say what you are saying.
Ma'am, we have finished the chapter.
We have finished the chapter. I don't know what is going on. I was talking in school. Chalo, let's move on to question
Noise
answers. Hurry up.
prevention.
Smoke causes dash. Everybody, now discuss among yourself, and I want you to answer all these fill in the blanks.
Air pollution.
Name.
So, ma'am, air pollution, drinking. So, ma'am, in the
Yes,
second one,
correct,
ma'am, we have
correct.
to. So, ma'am, in the second one, ma'am, we have to write a name of a disease or a
Drinking
A
polluted
disease.
water can cause. Now, what it can
Disease.
cause?
Waterborne disease. Waterborne
Yes,
disease.
very good, Vikas. Waterborne diseases.
Ma'am, now your voice is
Breaking.
no, ma'am.
Ma'am, clear. Ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, read out the next one.
Noise pollution can lead to dash problems. Ma'am, I think ear problems.
Yes,
Ear
noise
think
pollution
Ma'am,
can
ear
lead
problems.
to hearing problems also.
Ma'am, you said we have to discuss.
Yes, start writing the answers also.
But what will be the difficult words and the key points?
No, we are
We
not
are
going to
doing the
do the difficult
exercises.
words. Beta, we are not going to do difficult words and key points of this chapter.
Ma'am, why?
Why? Because this is not coming in the syllabus. We are just going to do the exercises. Okay, you need not learn it. These two chapters, the last two chapters, are not coming in your exams. You know that? Are you aware of it?
And ma'am,
Yes.
and ma'am in science, ma'am has said that we will do the revision with the pen.
Very nice. Wonderful. Okay. We can conserve soil by, now how can we conserve soil? By planting more
Planting trees.
trees.
Ma'am,
Very
planting
good.
trees.
By planting more trees, we can conserve soil. Then,
Have to
beta listen, now next class also we are going to start on WhatsApp. Okay?
What?
Yes, we are going to start on WhatsApp because my video is lagging my video is lagging a lot.
No, ma'am, we will not do on Zoom.
We will not do on Zoom because it is lagging a lot now. It is lagging a lot. Yes. I'm forwarding you. Listen, I'm forwarding you the link of it. Don't worry. Let's try. Okay? If it doesn't work on Zoom,
Pollutants.
we are going to shift to WhatsApp. Is that fine?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm leaving this meeting.
Wait. What is the hurry? Let's do answer in one word also and then we'll leave. The things that
Ma'am, first
pollute.
one is pollutants.
Very good. The things that pollute the environment are called pollutants.
Pollutants.
Children, now my video
Yes,
is
sir.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Magic.
Ma'am, containment of the environment means? Ma'am, what is containment?
Containment? Contamination. Contamination of the environment is called pollution.
Pollution.
Yes. A chemical used for killing harmful
Pesticides.
insects. Very good.
Pesticides.
Pesticides. Very nice. Then, liquid waste from factories.
Stagnant water.
Liquid waste from factories. What is that? Just find out.
Standing water.
बेटा फैक्ट्रीज से क्या लिक्विड वेस्ट बाहर आता है? स्टैंडिंग वाटर, स्टैग्नेंट वाटर, लिक्विड वेस्ट फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज.
Ma'am, on which
Help,
page?
help. It could it be chemicals?
not.
Ma'am, untreated water.
Untreated water, yes, that can be there. Liquid waste from factories, untreated water, untreated contaminated water. So we are going to begin our class on WhatsApp now.
Ma'am, your network is a bit good. Ma'am, a bit good.
What is the answer? Third one.
Okay, ma'am, we can do on WhatsApp.
We'll try here also, we'll try there also. At both the places, you be active. Okay?
Ma'am, what is the answer of third one?
Third one,
Can we repeat?
contamination of the environment is called pollution.
Pollution.
Children, take out your creative writing copies out.
Right.
Ma'am, match the following.
Match the following. Let's do it now. Shall we do it?
Yes.
Ma'am, less than 1
Now
minute.
there